Only thing I can say right now is be ready, everybody, because in less than 24 hours, this is going to get crazy. What is going on, guys? This is why I love crypto, because there's so much going on. For some of you who are always on X, you know what's happening, but my job is to keep everybody on the same page. We have CPI inflation data. We also have the FOMC happening just hours away tomorrow, where Jerome Powell, the Fed, increase or not the federal funds rate, Bitcoin, Shiba Inu, Cronos, Tectonic, whichever, Ethereum, LUNC, XRP, all of the tokens they're watching are going to be affected positively or negatively. So why don't we go ahead and get started? Guys, don't forget to smash the like button, consider subscribing to the channel, turn on those notification bells. Everybody right now is kind of looking at the inflation data numbers that we got. 4% previous, 4% current for core, not moved. But for the headline CPI, we did decrease a lot. And I think that's what a lot of people are talking about, which inflation seems to be coming down. That is really good news because it means we don't want more interest rate hikes. What we want is interest rate cuts. First one that comes hopefully in 2024. That's going to be very bullish for the market and for our own positions. What the FOMC is going to do? Well, to start, tomorrow, 2:30 p.m. Eastern, 1:30 p.m. here in Central Texas. That's going to happen. And well, we're going to be live. So subscribe, turn on those notification bells, guys, so you don't miss. We're going to be live for you guys here tomorrow. And what is the median for all of the people? 25 basis point interest rate hike or no rate hike. The median is not rate hike. Why? Why are they saying no rate hike? Well, because here it is. For inflation, 4%. 4%. So from 4 to 4, no change. That's not good, actually, because Jerome Powell does want to see core go down. That's the one they're looking the most, and seeing that it went from 4.3 to 4.5 from September to December to November, because December reports for November. I'm sure that he's not gonna be so happy about it to see it, because I wanted to see finally at 3%, given the fact that we dropped nicely in the previous months. But when you take a look at the headline, from 3.7 back to 3.1, which was around the same time frame of the summer of 2023, which means, guys, we are at 4% and at 3%. 4 core, 3% headline, right? So the goal is to bring headline at 2%. That's just one full point away. And core will also be great if we bring it anywhere close to the 2%. That's it. That's the goal. And tomorrow, we're going to have the last one of 2021. We had all of this FOMC meetings in 2023, guys. We've been live since the very early ones, and I'm very happy to tell you that we just had great people. We look at the questions, we listen, and at the end of the day, we see that the market, after all of this time, it remains bullish, which is good. Now, when it comes to the Fed and what the Jerome Powell is going to do, not many people are paying too much attention to that nowadays. What people are more interested about is the Bitcoin ETF approvals. That's what reigns in. That's what completely puts that away. And the Bitcoin halving. Bitcoin halving, the ETF, is way more important than what the Treasury Department, what the Federal Reserve and Jerome Powell are going to do, because realistically speaking, that's just going to continue till 2024. And until we hear a federal funds rate cut, it's not going to get so attractive. I'm not expecting at all a massive pump tomorrow on this news, on whatever they're going to do. If it's not a rate hike, then everything kind of remains unchanged. If it's a rate hike, which nobody is looking at that right now, it's not really forecasted, where will they do it? If they remain unchanged, it seems everything is slowly coming down. That's it. And it will just allow us either to go to $40,000 Bitcoin or just swing away to the $44,000, $45,000 once again. That's bullish, and I'm pretty happy to see the prices of crypto and Cronos and everything else doing really, really well. So tomorrow, everybody, I think a lot of people, some people are saying that there's roughly like 90 something percent of probability where you can see a no rate hike, which is really, really exciting. So FYI, get ready. FOMC is here. And like this, there's futures are forecasting 98.4 chance that rates remain unchanged at tomorrow's FOMC meeting. So it's still not trending, right? But if you start with hashtag FOMC, you're going to start seeing some numbers, right? Which in a way could help, right? Post-inflation data and ongoing tomorrow's meeting announced that market are pricing in some 110 basis points of federal cuts in 2024, while we should expect the Fed dots to move tomorrow's SEP update, which means we could start to finally see some cuts in 2024 from the 5.5 that we are right now all the way to the 3.5. I mean, that will be incredible. And oh man, but we still need to see that inflation come down. FYI, everybody. We're looking at 1.55 trillion right now in the global market cap. Bitcoin and some of the altcoins are moving. New altcoins like Osmo is just kind of trying to kind of pump it, which is good stuff. At the end of the day, we really haven't seen in the last 7 days some big losers. No 3-digit losers at all, even though with the little flash crash that we had on Sunday, which was pretty exciting, by the way. But other than that, I think all of the tokens are remaining, waiting for the Bitcoin ETF approval, and that's it. Really, that's what we're looking at right now. Tomorrow should be exciting. Good news on inflation today. Hopefully, tomorrow we get some nice fireworks where we can just enjoy some volatility at the end of the day. Let's go out a little bit closer. What I'm forecasting, guys, is that we do go to the 39,000. That's what a lot of people, and myself included, we agree because we're very close to it. I think it seems that Bitcoin does want to break that support, and then from there, give us a last chance to buy in the 30,000 Bitcoin before it rips all the way to the $45,000 to $55,000 by the end or close to the beginning of 2024. And that's it. Prior to the announcement of the ETFs, I'm sure that we're going to have a lot of extra volatility. And what's going on right now, and the way the FOMC attacks it, you can always predict there's going to be a lot of opportunities to make money with trades, with futures, with all kinds of trading on exchanges, and just have to be careful and know that take a look at the leverage. It's going to be a lot of money there. Thanks for watching, everybody. You've been updated. That's what's happening right now. And just wait and see, because the 12th tomorrow should be the 13th tomorrow should be a pretty exciting day for all of us. I'll see you next time, guys. Like and subscribe. Peace.